it up. Keep it tight. Got the salt on it. Never touches the human hand.
Very good. Very
Nice
good.
and full.
Thank you.
Good. I need water. Help me. I need water. Help. Are you having a good time tonight? Where's your daddy? And your mommy, right? Do you want to go back? Do you want to go back to them, or do you want to stay with Donald Trump? It felt like home, yeah. I love it when you call me señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need ya, but every touch is all I want.
It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. They have everything.